Joining us now from Sky City in Auckland is Howard Dobson. And while Two Guns Barrett fired both barrels at Cameron during a verbal spat at yesterday's weigh-in, it seems the man he really wanted to fight was David Tua.
Hello Hamish, yes, Two Guns Barrett is still calling out the Terminator, and tonight we can reveal why Tua has turned down a big money offer for a trilogy fight with the American. And in a 3 News exclusive, David wants to put the record straight once and for all. He is not retired and will return soon.
I never did retire, you know, and I believe, without being stupid, that I still have 3-4 years left.
David Tua has been in self-imposed exile since his last fight against Monty Barrett. Why?
Because it's important for me to take care of a few things that needed done before getting back in the ring.
The legacy after his 5-year legal battle with former trainer Kevin Barry is Tua still owes money.
From the creditors' side of things, that need to be looked at very closely. There are things that are not going to go away, and there are things that, for me, more importantly, my credibility rides on it.
But for Barrett, the answer's simple. Why not have a trilogy fight? There's big pay-per-view money in it, and no boxer's really satisfied with a points decision win, especially after Tua dropped him to the floor with a broken jaw.
David has on his panties right now. When he becomes a man and put his boxer back on, maybe we can talk business.
But Barrett's the least of Tua's problems. His priority, his teenage sons Klein and Kanan, as he's having to rebuild his life after separating from his wife Rabina.
It's been tough in the beginning, you know, I mean, nobody wants to go through that, but I will always love her regardless.
For Tua, his return is all about timing, and he doesn't want to make the same mistake.
Sadly for me, the 2 times that gone in the ring and fight each other, David Tua never showed up. And that's what I mean about being temporarily retired for the time to sort other things out, because I can't keep doing that.
Tua's planning a comeback in December or early next year, but for now the 39-year-old's an instructor, opening the doors of his Only Hunger gym to the public, the very place he sleeps in.
Yep, I live here, yep. So, it's a good place, you know. The cleaning's not too bad as well.
So who does Tua think is going to clean up in tonight's big fight?
No, Shane Cameron, of course, yeah. By a knockout. No pressure, Shane. Monte. Oh, you said I'm fat. I'm not fat. I'm just easy to see, man. Don't worry about me, because you got to worry about the Mountain Warrior. He's going to come to fight, and I know he's well prepared, so go to Mountain Warrior.
97.4 kilos.
And Hamish, there's so much speculation whether Tua will be ringside tonight. He's just sent me this delightful text. I'll read it to you. Dobbo, don't know yet, waiting for my brothers to come round, then we'll make a decision, may even watch the pay-per-view fight in the pub. So even David doesn't know whether he's going to be here tonight. Of course, we'll have all the highlights on Sports Tonight at 11.
Very good, Howard. Thank you very much.